0 plus x, which is minus half. Evaluate this, you have 0 minus half, and that is minus half. Now, minus half is less than what? 0. Minus half is less than 0. Therefore, we must have the inequality y plus x is less than 0. This is the inequality we have for this point. Today, we are looking at simultaneous inequality. And this time around, we are given a graph, and we are asked to write out the simultaneous inequalities satisfied by the diagram. So let's look at the question. It says, write the inequalities satisfied by the triangle OPQ in the diagram below. There is a triangle OPQ, this triangle here. So we want to find the inequality that is satisfied by this triangular region. First of all, the first thing we're going to do is to write out these equations. I'm going to write out the equations first. Y plus x is equal to 0. Then I have y minus x is equal to 0. And finally, we have x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, inside that triangular region, let us see if we can get an intercept on either the x-axis or the y-axis. It will be very difficult to get this intercept because they are all equated to 0. But look at this equation here, this vertical line. It says x plus 1 is equal to 0, implies that x is equal to minus 1. So the vertical line s equals to minus 1 has the intercept minus 1, 0. That means here is minus 1, 0. So let us pick a point to test this region. I'm going to pick the center, which is minus half. So I'm picking that point as testing with minus half, 0. I'm testing these three equations with that point. The first one, it's when x is minus half, y is 0. You have 0 plus x, which is minus half. Evaluate this, you have 0 minus half, and that is minus half. Now, minus half is less than what? 0. Minus half is less than 0. Therefore, we must have the inequality y plus x is less than 0. This is the inequality we have for this point to be satisfied in the manner which just happened now. Now, for this one, we using the same point, we have when y is 0, our x is minus half. If you evaluate this, you have 0 plus half, and that is half. Now, this half is definitely greater than this 0. Therefore, we must have y minus x is greater than 0. Now, the last one, the value of x here is minus half. So if you have minus half plus 1 is equal to half. And this half is definitely greater than what? 0. Therefore, we must have x plus 1 is greater than what? 0. So the simultaneous inequalities satisfied by triangle OPQ are, the first one is y plus x less than 0. The next one is y minus x greater than 0. And the last one is x plus 1 greater than 0, or x is greater than minus 1.